Go.
All right, we're at Robert Daly's house, 125 Greenview Drive. Did I get that right?
Yes.
Word. My name's Matt. I'm a contractor with Sunny Day Roofing. Every new roof starts with a sunny day. So, y'all approved for some repairs. Love it. Running into some issues. All right, so we got a clearly wind-free shingle right here. This thing's Smokey Johnson. So, in order to replace this shingle, right there, I gotta lift 1, 2, 3, 4 shingles. So, it's easier to show you than it is to tell you. So I'm gonna show y'all exactly some of the issues we've been running into. So I gotta get to the nails under here. In order to do that, I gotta lift the rest of them, get to them nails. Yeah, it's coming up. You see that pitch hopper slide?
I did not know. The video probably did that.
Bro. It's steep. We don't want to play around on here. We don't want to mess with it. That's already up. Cool. Yeah, a lot of these weren't even stuck down, so. Okay, let me try them. That's not good. Okay. It's all right. Cool. So now I can get to these nails. Not bad, man. Look at that. Clear rust on that nail. Water damage. So that is clocked it. Glove. All right, well, that one's clearly smoked. brother.
I think that's it.
Thank you. All right, here, as you see, state of the art, mint condition, brand new. Wham! Get this guy set in. So I'm gonna go ahead and secure this. You can see we're using them brand new nails. All right, so as y'all can see, I was being real careful when I did that repairability. We still ran into a lot of damages. Just for starters, y'all see we got these link creases right here at the top of these shingles where most of that movement was happening. We also got a little tear right there. Roofing snake made a little tear right there. Tear, big tear, big tear. Roofing snake punctured that one a little bit. We got one right there as well. Let's see here. Tear. Tear. The problem that I'm personally running into, the roofing snake went right through that one as well. These shingles are just so brittle that I relied solely on my tools. None of these shingles were lifted past 45 degrees, but I was still accumulating all these damages on the surrounding shingles. So we got 1, 2, 3.
There's another one right there above that little
Oh
circle.
yeah, this one's torn too. So across 4 shingles, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 pieces of damage. Obviously you guys are the real pros. Watch this video back. If you have any advice for me, feel free to let me know after y'all get this repairability video. Our goal here is to just restore this roof in a way that's in the best interest of the homeowner. I don't see how I can do that with these repairs, but I do look forward to hearing back from y'all, and I truly appreciate y'all's time. Thank you so much.